Yo, dudes, welcome. I'm Jake 216. Welcome to the Ghoulish Art Show.
Hey guys, $5, stamp your own hands, no ins, no outs.
Your hand off my penis!
Hey. My main goal is to blow up and then act like I don't know nobody.
Got him!
Oh, you gotta give that spit on that thing.
What the fuck is this shit?
Leave Billy alone!
I was so fat and nasty.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Okay, that's
Hey! Man, shout out Ridgewood Riffs for that awesome tune. Me and Charlie still jamming to it, man. Go check him out. His and Fat Cat Beats, because they'll be doing the music during the time-lapse part so today. Good. But go check both of them out. Their link is in the description, man. Dude, we got something awesome that we're doing this week. I think you guys are going to enjoy it. It's called Bird Beak Jack. It is a ink drawing that I did. It's pretty cool. And for everybody in Ohio, just know that you can't be driving around with your stinky green.
Hey.
So the wine, you need to look at this, man. Fatal alcohol crashes in Ohio was over 5,700, 242 for stinky green. Jesus Lord, I think we at least need to treat it like the alcohol, man. But yeah. One more political thing. Afro Man for president. Still running this. Hope this actually happens. And let's get on with the video.
I can't let them stop me and shock me. They tried, I pulled out and popped 3. We don't play. I can't let them stop me and shock me. They tried, I pulled out and popped 3. We don't play. I can't let them stop me and shock me. They tried, I pulled out and popped 3.
Man, me and Charlie just wanted to interrupt this fine and beautiful lowbrow artwork to show some love back to the community that has been speaking on the videos, man. I've been seeing a beautiful increase in numbers. I know it's not the best y'all seen, but we here at the Ghoulish Art Show are appreciating of these beautiful numbers. So the community has spoken and shown their love, and me and Charlie shall return. First comment was on last week's episode, man. If you guys haven't seen that video, I think you guys should go check it out. I'm eating my mustache, I'm sorry. But go check it out, man. And we did a funky little pencil drawing called Cobra Lilies. So yeah, go check that out. But the first comment was from an artist named Billy the Robot. And Billy the Robot has really cool stuff out, man. Go check him out. I'll put his link in the description, man, along with everybody else that commented. So yeah, another great episode. Nice to see your drawing process. Keep staying creative and giving us that ghoulish goodness. Why, thank you, sir. I am glad and honored that you're a fan of what we're doing here at the Ghoulish Art Show, and we're just gonna keep on keeping on, man. I appreciate the love, and keep coming back, man. Next was on my short from the beginning of last week's video. This guy said, "Didn't Mayor Bibbs get into a wreck a couple of years ago? This dude's always breaking shit." Man, let me tell you, let's show the proof.
Well, we start with this, a crash involving the SUV carrying Cleveland's mayor. This happened at an intersection in downtown Cleveland this morning. Since then, News 5 investigator Jonathan Walsh has been working to learn more about what led up to the crash. Jonathan is live downtown with what he's uncovered. I guess the first thing to acknowledge here, Jonathan, is that the mayor has a security detail drive him.
Yeah, as a matter of fact, Rob, those particular cars have emergency lights on them. We talked to a couple of witnesses this morning who tell us as the mayor's car was going down this lane here on Superior, it threw on those lights. But the light here, the traffic light, was red. And right in the middle of the intersection, that's when the crash happened. Let's take a look at some of the surveillance video that I obtained that shows today's crash. The mayor's car was going west on Superior Avenue around 9 a.m. Now, check out the traffic lights. They're red, but the mayor's car puts on its emergency lights and goes through the intersection. A car going south on 12th Street then smashes right into the side of the mayor's car.
I want to say the mayor's vehicle was at fault because when he came across, he put the lights on, and by the time he came across, this vehicle didn't have no time to stop.
The crash did significant damage to both vehicles, and airbags deployed. When asked whether the mayor's vehicle did go through that light, city spokespeople said the police are investigating, and they'd get back to us once there is a determination. An ambulance did take both Mayor Bibb and his driver to the hospital as a precaution. We also talked with the driver. They tell us he is going to be checked out by a doctor. Of course, these things will develop over time. We will stay on top of this. We'll have plenty of follow-through as those details become available. Reporting live here in downtown Cleveland, I'm News 5 investigator Jonathan Walsh.
Yeah, that's a big one. All right, Jonathan, thank you so much.
Man, what do you think of that, Charlie? Yeah, I mean, technically it wasn't his fault they crashed into him, but I want to say that happened when he was just still fresh in the house. So yeah. Next comment was on my AI generated dancing Salvador Dali. This one was, is AI going back in time, or are we going forward and bringing the past with us? You'll never know. Okay. Yeah.
Lowbrow Movies, folks.
What do you think, Spike? Is he dead yet?
Shouldn't you know you're literally dead?
Still like that, it's hard to tell.
Is that why people die in their sleep? Because you can't tell the difference?
I don't get paid enough to train you while I'm doing my job.
That's exactly what an apprenticeship is, dear.
And I don't get paid enough to listen to you two idiots.
I should have workers' rights. I'm an apprentice. Wait, no, I'm an apprentice. I don't have any rights.
What the fuck is this shit?
What are you doing?
I want to see how far I can throw him.
Hey, down, boy.
I'm not a fucking dog.
You said this time we could do it peacefully. We're supposed to help people move on, not be the reason they have to.
Oh, whoops.
D, that's the wrong patient.
Huh, so it is.
Hey, what's going on here? Ah!
Murder?
I just killed the doctor.
I wonder if they got a cream for that.
I killed him. I actually killed someone. Oh God, I killed a doctor. That's like super murder.
Look, kid, you gotta screw up. You pull the plug too early. Leave a live one in limbo. Maybe even send a few toddlers to the wrong dimension. But the only thing worse than messing up is pretending you didn't. That's how you turn into someone like me. Now let's see how far this guy flies. 1.
Whoa, what's going on?
3. Nice throw, Scythe.
Oh, wait, that guy was still alive. He could have had a family. Do you have any respect?
I love a reefer, Franklin.
D, these are people and they matter.
They might matter even more now that they're dead. Another job well done, kid. That's 10 points for Team D. High five. Come on, high five.
This will be the death of me.
Look at this.
What did that guy even do?
Ah, come on. He was blocking traffic.
Is that your first instinct?
Better than screaming.
Nothing.
Oh no. I'm out.
I'm trying to work.
He's in my way.
Well, I need a drink.
Yo. Man, wasn't that a funky, fresh little cartoon, man? I hope to see more of it, man. That was the pilot concept to This Will Be the Death of Me. And I like the little animations, man. It's pretty cool. And I think you guys should go check it out. The info is in the description if you want to watch the whole video without other interruptions and stuff, man. I think it's worth a watch. And yeah, give me some love, man. Keep on creating. You guys got a fan here at the Ghoulish Art Show. Me and Charlie are chilling and watching stuff, man. Thank you. And this is the end. My only friend at the end. Hope you guys liked the drawing that we did today. If you followed along, send it into the GHOULISHARTSHOW@gmail.com. And yeah, we'll throw it up here, man. I'd love to see everybody getting creative. Even if you don't draw, if you think you're horrible at drawing, just draw it anyways. Screw it. You can do everything. But yeah, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. I think that's it. I don't know. They're all right here. And yeah, next week's video will be that painting I was talking about. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you next week, yo. Did I forget something? Hey!
I'm fucking rock! Yeah! I'm fucking rock!